Salesforce Customer Relationship Management revolutionizes client interactions, enhancing operational efficiency and fostering growth. Sales Cloud, a key component, optimizes sales processes from lead generation to deal closure. This exploration provides insights into leveraging Sales Cloud for business success. Salesforce Customer Relationship Management has revolutionized customer relationship management since the 1990s, offering flexibility and scalability. It centralizes customer data, optimizes processes, and enhances teamwork, fostering customer loyalty. Salesforce's innovative approach and commitment to client success have solidified its leadership in the customer relationship management industry, transforming traditional practices and setting new standards for business success. Sales Cloud optimizes the sales cycle, enhancing productivity and results. Key features include lead management, opportunity management, and sales analytics. These tools provide sales teams with insights to make informed decisions and adapt strategies to market changes, ensuring a streamlined and effective sales process. Sales Cloud's lead management centralizes information, enabling effective prospect tracking and nurturing. Opportunity management provides a framework for monitoring prospects, enhancing prioritization and planning. Sales analytics offer insights into performance, consumer behavior, and market trends. These features empower sales teams to make informed decisions, adapt strategies, and ultimately drive business success. Sales Cloud enhances productivity by streamlining the sales cycle and centralizing data. It fosters collaboration, breaking down silos and facilitating idea exchange. Data-driven decision-making is supported by powerful analytics, allowing organizations to adapt strategies and seize opportunities. Sales Cloud's customization options empower businesses to tailor the platform to their unique needs. Implementation involves aligning it with organizational processes and providing user training. Continuous support ensures the platform remains effective and adapts to evolving business requirements, maximizing its impact on sales efficiency and success. Sales Cloud integrates seamlessly with other Salesforce products, creating a unified ecosystem. Integration with Marketing Cloud enhances customer engagement, while Service Cloud integration improves post-purchase experiences. This synergy ensures a 360-degree view of customer interactions, fostering collaboration and consistency. Salesforce Customer Relationship Management. Sales Cloud is pivotal in transforming customer relationship management. Its features enhance efficiency, decision-making, and collaboration within a unified ecosystem. As businesses navigate customer interactions, Sales Cloud remains essential for growth and success, solidifying its role as a cornerstone in the Salesforce ecosystem.